Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you are new at this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button. Today I am going to show how to draw outline accurately from mobile with the help of grid method. If you don't know about grid method and how to use grid your reference image, then you go to the I button. Here you will find related video. So let's do it. Zoom in your reference image as much as you can and pay close attention to your reference image, and then draw the outlines with proper observation according to your reference, and use low grade pencils like HB or 2H pencils so that you can erase the unusual and wrong lines. And one thing, please draw the outline with soft hands. By the way, be careful when you draw eyes. Please deeply observe and again check up between reference image and your paper, and keep patience when you draw the outlines. And again, I advise that please use the low grade pencils and draw the outlines with soft hand so you can erase the unusual outlines easily. After using the grid method, I sure that you can get better result than your past experience. And one thing, when you use the grid method for the very first time, you may not get the desired results, but you will gradually get better results through enough practice. So keep practicing with this method when you draw something from your mobile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think that it was a helpful video for yours, please make sure to subscribe and like this video.